Hello everyone, this is David from Osight, and today I am super excited to launch a brand new product that we've been working on these past few months. But before I show you what it is, I'd like to thank you all for your wonderful support ever since SHOT Show 6 months ago when we launched the Osight brand along with 2 brand new red dots to the industry. 1, 2, 3, see the power! And thanks to your support, we really have taken off like a rocket. In particular, the Osight S has been a huge success. And there's no surprising why. The Osight S really changed the industry with its rechargeable battery and its charging dust cover and groundbreaking OAL material. These are features our competitors are still trying to play catch up on. However, there is always room for competitively priced optics. Whether you've got a secondary firearm that is begging for a red dot, or you're a cost-conscious enthusiast looking for just the essentials, we've got a new red dot for you.
In a world where precision isn't optional, only the sharpest tools make the cut. Introducing the Osight SE. A compact, fully enclosed optic engineered for concealed carry, tactical precision, and everyday readiness. Housed in CNC machine, aircraft-grade 7075 aluminum, the Osight SE is rugged, lightweight, and nearly indestructible. Its aspherical lens delivers a crystal-clear, parallax-free view with zero distortion. Choose your edge. A 2 MOA dot, a 32 MOA circle, or both. Designed with a universal RMSc footprint, it mounts directly on most optics-ready slides. No adapters, no compromise. And the side-loading battery means you'll never lose zero when it's time for a swap. Always ready. Never guessing. From the discreet carrier, to the on-duty professional, to the competitive shooter, the Osight SE adapts, responds, and performs. This isn't just an optic, it's performance redefined. Osight SE, simple yet extraordinary.
I'd like to introduce to you our latest product, the Osight SE, our most affordable red dot yet. And the SE stands for simple yet extraordinary. So, as you can see, the Osight S has a side-loading battery tray right here. See that? No longer is it magnetic charging up top. We've got a side tray. This is due to our listening to your feedback. Many of you said, well, we don't need rechargeable. Just give me the coin cell. We listened to you and we came out with the Osight SE. It looks just like the S, but it has a side-loading tray. It uses a CR1620 battery, very common, you can pick up anywhere. It's not an open dot, it's enclosed, which is ideal for your EDC, CCW carry, daily carry, keeping dust and all the elements out from the dot. Not only is it fully enclosed, it's the RMSc footprint, just like the S, very common. Many compact and subcompact firearms are direct mount right on, just like the 365 fuse is actually aftermarket here. Not only is it fully enclosed, it also shares the same lens as the S, the aspheric lens right here. So you're getting the same quality as the S optically, right? And not only so, we use the same multi reticle technology, dot, circle dot, and circle and dot together. So I think I can switch it here. There we go. There we go. Anyway, so in all respects, the SE is the S's little brother. Isn't it cool? The biggest change in Osight SE is the replacement of the high-tech rechargeable battery with a side-loaded CR1620 battery. We designed the SE with a side-loading tray to replace the battery, thus avoiding the need to remove the optic and re-zero. Let's talk about battery life. You will see up to 46,000 hours with circle and dot together, and up to 75,000 hours with just the dot. When the battery runs low, the dot will blink. Very simple. Now for what you've all been waiting for, the price. We've optimized the SE. Now before I tell you the price, even though the SE is more affordable, it still includes the premium support you'd expect from Osight. Each box includes a plethora of screws, just like in the S, that fit most makes and models of firearms on the market, along with a spare battery tray screw, a carry pouch, a cleaning cloth, and an adjustment tool. Installing the SE is easier than ever thanks to our simple online fitment checker. Also with each sight includes a handy How to Zero reference card that you can take to the range. Now let's talk about the price. Thanks to Osight SE's streamlined feature set, we can offer all of this to you at a list price of $199.99. Now to top it all off, Osight backs up each and every sight that we make with our fully transferable lifetime warranty. And all of this is supported from our home base in Chandler, Arizona, home to avid shooting sports enthusiasts and a thriving firearms community. So, from your first purchase to hands-on use, we're with you every step of the way, ensuring that you get the best performance and experience and real-world support. We hope you enjoy the Osight SE.